Today is August 28th, 2025. Just gonna check this out real quick. Last time I was here, it was super wet. It's been like awfully dry the past few weeks. It's funny now, it's all dry. This was all water before. I still see water there, but not as much. Through here without getting wet. Now it's totally dry. No more water here. Dang, that was like a beautiful night. It's not too hot, not too cold. Kind of smells here at this part. This kind trip goes way back there. Take a look up here real quick. It's kind of a nice, relaxing walk. I only had to work half a day today, which was nice. There's a railroad tracks up there. Funny. There's a creek down there a little bit. The Butler County Airport's just down that way a ways. We're up here at the pond in Ohio. There's all these little turtles. It's like a beautiful day out too. I don't know if you can see them all, but they're like tons of them. If they are turtles,
they definitely look like them. I definitely know this one here with its neck out is, because you can see it moving its neck.
They haven't really moved though, have they? But
yeah, I don't know if some of the other ones did, but that one did. There's some minnows down here too. You can kind of see them if you look closely.
Oh yeah. It's pretty. Look at the blue sky. It's like amazing today. It's like a Bob Ross painting, isn't it? Up at the park, Fairfield. Beautiful. It's my day off today. Super nice out. Got some day baseball going on today too. Reds up 11-0. Fun times. Look at the blue sky. It's like, oh, so beautiful day. Such a beautiful day. So beautiful. A lot of times you can see planes up in the sky around here too. Taking off, landing from the Butler County Airport. It's a bit isolated here, which actually can make it nice, but you might be stuck while something bad happened, but Never had any problems here. It's always been so nice. Today is May 21st, 2026. I'm on this path here, which I've hiked a few times, but I haven't never made it out this far. It's just pretty cool. Right there is actually Route 4. This underpass, or that overpass, I guess you call it, is Route 4. Took me a minute to figure out what road it was, but I looked at my maps, and there's this train track that runs through here as well. I'm heading back towards Gilmore Ponds Park. It's such a beautiful day. The neat thing was, there's remnants of the old Miami-Erie Canal here, which I didn't realize, or at least I forgot. But it's historical. It's pretty neat. You can take this path all the way back to the park. It's right there, close to Sims Road. Tool. I think it's Tooley's the name of the road. Interesting graffiti here. It's just like you don't know if this is part of the canal itself to its left, or if this is just a creek. Interesting graffiti. Gilmore was here. It's kind of neat down here now. Jay. My son's name was Jay. It's really kind of a cool thing. If I wasn't by myself, I might go over there and explore a little bit. But you gotta be careful because this is an active train track, so you gotta watch out. But here the path goes. There's a pond over there as well, and there's a huge pond up here. It's like a nature preserve, like a little swampy area over there where you first park. It's pretty high right now because of rain and so much. But yeah, it really is a beautiful day. When I'm wearing my Kentucky shirt and I passed a guy who's another Kentucky fan. Although I guess in Hamilton that's not too rare, but a lot of Kentucky fans, Reds fans, Bengals fans around here. Which is a good thing in my book. Yeah, beautiful day in May. It's like it's not too hot yet, but you kind of feel the start of summer trying to get here soon, but trying to enjoy it before it gets really hot. And I was talking to my girlfriend, she was talking about how there's gonna be a lot of mosquitoes here, and she's probably right. But they're not here yet, so it's a perfect day to be here. Still be fun to come, just bring some bug spray, I guess. But up there, I don't know if you see those fences, but on those signs, I think it's on those, commemorating the Miami-Erie Canal. And I guess it went from Hamilton down to Cincinnati. It said it started being built in 1825. But I guess trains and the trains kind of knocked it out of service for the most part. If I come up here, I might get a shot of the old remnants. I guess Route 4, Erie Boulevard on Route 4 used to be part of it, but they said during like the WPA in the 1940s or the Great Depression times, 1930s, they filled it and turned it into a road, which is a road now you can drive on, which I drive on all the time. There's a train underpass or overpass. And yeah, I've seen a picture where water was flowing under that, which is now a road. It's interesting. But they said most of this canal was filled in with mud, but there's still remnants of it up here. And it looks, to me, at first I thought it was just a creek, but now I guess it's actually the remnants of the canal. Pretty much a creek now. It's really neat. It's a nature preserve here. A little bit of train tracks. These train tracks remind me of growing up as a kid in Westchester. We used to go play on them sometimes. Maybe not the smartest move, but we were always careful, so we ended up being all right. Man, I'm trying to figure out how far I've walked. Probably about a mile or two, maybe 3. Which is good for me, like with health issues and stuff. The more I walk, the better generally. Sometimes on my days off, like my steps are so little. So I've been trying to, with it being nice, I'm trying to get here and walk more. See, here's a sign right here. Miami and Erie Canal and Campbell Ice Ponds. They would make ice and stuff. Here it is, I guess. So you could take like flat boats down these. Of course, a lot of it's overgrown now because you're talking, what, 150 years ago, 175 years ago. In 1825, if they started it, they probably ran it up to what, the 1850s, maybe 1875, something like that. Maybe longer. So this thing probably hasn't been used in what, for that purpose, in almost 200 years. 150, 200 years, long time, approximately. It's kind of neat. This year, 2026, is the 250th anniversary of America since the Declaration of Independence. So I didn't even realize that till like in March, which was kind of, I was like, man, that's pretty amazing. There's some kind of tie in there and pipes and stuff. I guess they dug it out and then it opens up in this pond. Check out this plane too. There's an airport, the Butler County Airport, right over there. It takes off. You can almost see it through those trees right there. Over there, I think it's where it is. Look at this plane. You see it? Oh, I can't see it on my camera, but it's probably there. You can definitely hear it. You know, it's like a yellow biplane almost or something. Yeah, that's a cool shot down there. It'd be awesome to have like a pilot license. Just be able to take a little flight today if you have the money for it and the skills. There are a lot of bikers in this, so you gotta keep an eye out. Your historic Miami Erie Canal. Kind of neat stuff. You can take this trail back too, but I think I'm gonna go this way. To me, I'm thinking this is part of the canal over here. It went down to Hamilton. Anyway, it's definitely worth checking out if you ever get a chance. It's pretty. It's not really. It's hardly ever crowded either, so no one's really messed with me up here or anything. So pretty nice people. Yeah, beautiful day. Thanks for watching. Here we are. See, there's a little snake in there. I don't know if you can see it. Alright, there it goes. See? I was thinking about going down there, and then I saw that. Well, it probably couldn't hurt you much, but I'm not really a fan of snakes. It's kind of cool to see that from a safety distance. From a safe distance. So I'm assuming this is one day was part of the canal in the past. I don't know how deep the canals had to be, but I'm sure it was deeper then. But they had those flat boats, they may not even have to be that deep, possibly.